Hi guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Okay, come on, let's go get started. I'm going to make some oven roasted potatoes. So here I have 4 medium-sized potatoes that I've washed. I've coated the bottom of my baking dish with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm just gonna pop these right in. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit more olive oil right over them. This is 1 chopped up clove of garlic. I'm just gonna sprinkle that on there. This is a couple of very thin slices of onion, and it's then been chopped. I'm going to sprinkle that on there. This is 1.5 teaspoons of butter, chopped up very fine. I'm going to sprinkle that in. I'm gonna put some salt in that, put some pepper on that. Now you can put any other herbs on it that you want. If you want to put rosemary on there, or oregano, make sure that everything is spread around. Sprinkle the top with a little bit of paprika. Give it a little spicy flavor, but not too much. One more time, a little more stir. I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I'm going to go pop this in the oven for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to check it for tenderness. These have been cooking for about 30 minutes. I've taken them out just to give it a good stir. I want to bring up all those flavors from the bottom and recoat these potatoes. They're getting there. They're starting to get soft. See, I can get my fork in there easily. Now I'm gonna go pop that back into the oven just until they start crisping up. Those are very hot potatoes. Now, if you like them even crispier, just go ahead and throw them under the broiler for a minute. Look how beautiful those are. Nicely browned, gorgeous, and they're so delicious. Leave your comments below and remember to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.